We head to Cebu and dismiss Mandaue City Mayor Jones Cartos has clarified that he has not rejoined the PDP Laban Party. And that's despite an endorsement from former President Rodrigo Duterte. For more details, we have One News Cebu Desk, Dale Israel. Dale, ano ba nangyari?
Yes, of course, Lord, politics here in Cebu is getting hotter and hotter every day. And before we go to Mandaue City, or dismiss Mandaue City Mayor Jonas Cortez, let's talk about Congressman Sugbo Frasco signing of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte, because he got this criticisms from supporters of the Vice President because his wife, Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, is known to be a friend of VP Sara, and in fact, it was in their home in Liloan where VP Sara usually goes when she is in Cebu. Cristina was actually VP Sara's spokesperson during the 2022 elections. In a speech in Liloan, last week, Frasco explained the reason why he signed the impeachment complaint against Sara Duterte. For one, he said he doesn't want his projects get stalled and with no fund allocation in the district if he doesn't join the majority to sign in favor of the impeachment of the VP. Another reason he recalled was when they needed help from Sara, when Cristina called up the VP during the Love the Philippines controversy, because they found out that then those who criticize Secretary Cristina are well-known social media personalities or aligned with VP Sara. So Cristina called up VP Sara and asked her, can you please ask your friends, social media personalities, just hinay-hinay lang. But then VP Sara said, no, she cannot dictate social media personalities. And then Cristina goes, if the VP could issue a statement of support. The president has already expressed support, the senators and some governors, the congressman have given support. And but the VP answered she cannot issue such support. A month later, in August, Frasco was surprised by Duterte, visited opponents of the Frascos in the district, which is the Duranos of the Danao City in Cebu. Fifth district is composed of Liloan, Compostela, Sogod, Carmen, Camotes Group of Islands, and Danao City. In July 2024, VP Sara visited the Duranos again without a word from the Frascos, whom he said he treated as allies in the 2022 elections. That's basically what he said, why he signed the impeachment, aside from, quote unquote, allowing the VP to answer the allegations hurled against her. And then we go to Mandaue, in Mandaue City, dismissed Mandaue City Mayor Jonas Cortez made the headlines, local headlines, of the photos of him joining the PDP event. It was circulating in the social media. Did he join the PDP Laban again and drop the One Cebu party of Governor Gwen Garcia? Apparently, that is not the case, according to Cortez in a press conference last Monday. In the photos, we see that Cortez's hand and his slate was raised by former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte as an endorsement of their candidacy. But according to Cortez, this does not mean that they will be joining the PDP Laban again, and that they are just asking for the endorsement of the former president. Dismissed Cebu City Mayor Mike Rama, and his slate was also there, and they are members of the PDP Laban. Former Lapu-Lapu City Mayor Paz Radasa was also present and endorsed by Duterte. PDP's candidate for Cebu Governor is Pamela Baricuatro, and not incumbent Governor Gwen Garcia. But according to Cortez, their support will remain for Governor Gwen Garcia because he will still remain a member of the governor's One Cebu party. In an interview with Garcia, he said he will still remain the official candidate, or Cortez will remain the official candidate of the One Cebu party. However, Cortez's opponent is also a member of the One Cebu party, provincial board member, Jonky Uwano. Garcia made it clear that Uwano is not a member of the opposition and will still remain a member of One Cebu. They have a rule on the equity of the incumbent for One Cebu that re-electionists will be endorsed, and that is why Cortez will be endorsed by the local party. Although a highly urbanized city, Mandaue will continue to vote for provincial candidates, including the governor, according to its special provision of the Mandaue City Charter. The city is also has the highest voting population of over 234,000 in all of Cebu, after Cebu City, which is an independent city. Back to you, Lord.
Okay, abangan natin yan. Mukhang exciting din ang politika dyan sa Cebu. And to think, hindi pa nagsisimula ang local campaigns. Anyway, maraming salamat sa iyo. One News Cebu Desk, Dale Israel. Thanks, Dale.